Big Mac meal with French fries, large, and a large chocolate shake. I need another large chocolate shake.
You happy,
and
baby?
Another large French fries.
Thank
next
you.
to it.
You didn't have seatbelt.
It is. Thank you.
Oh, that looks good. Oh. Cheers to the Mac Cafe.
Mm.
Why is the Mac Cafe is red?
I don't know.
Fries.
Thank you.
Here.
Do they
Talon.
have straws?
Straw, yeah. Straw. Talon, oh. Ketchup.
Now, this is actually a surprise because I didn't plan on doing this at all.
Hmm?
This was a surprise, so I didn't plan on doing it at all. So I would go buy it.
Okay. Talon, oh.
Yeah, I'll eat the fries when we get to the house.
Oh.
Or if you want to go, we can do City Market when we come back.
Do we have to come back in here?
Mm.
Or no?
Actually, I'll just park here and let you run it and get whatever. Chicken.
Chicken? Oh, yeah.
Is that all you need to grab?
Yeah.
Okay, and it'll be fast. Yeah.
Yeah.
Don't you like this when I drive so
Good,
much
good.
near you?
Then you can eat your fries
Yeah.
while wait.
Well, they're hot.
Yeah.
The main.
No, your mom's got to go grab a chicken.
Holatik. Here.
Thank you, hot.
Bali ni Park siya ning apiki kayo. Kumanday ko yung bulsa eh. Wala pala akong ano, packet. Bulaklak oh. May saging-saging pa.
I'm gonna jump in one of these buckets and just hide. Oh, yeah. Ring of fire.
Parang nakita ko yung kapatid ko. Paspasan nga. Bilisan. Dito. Hey guys!
Hey, kumusta?
Kira.
Kira?
Para usap? Si Mark nasa kuan. Si Mark
Kumusta?
ustad. Kira.
Sa?
Abi na mo kuan karon ang car show.
What car show?
Oh, there's a car show this weekend, yeah?
Tomorrow.
Ang tanawang tamo.
Talaon tami. Then nasad may gi magmo si Mark sa balay kay naay rental og mga
Ayun.
kinahanglan imo kay wala na mo natiwas og mo oy. Then palit ko manok kay ako ikuan. Himo ko makalangan. Shi. 8.99 Russia lang. See you guys. Bye. Kapatid ko tapos sa sawa niya. red, white, and blue. To the ano na counter. Sige guys, thank you for watching.